Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Maggie, collaboration with Unique Whimsy, Donnie's Creates, and myself, Left-Handed Crafter. I hope y'all are doing great today. I am doing okay. This week we had to create some cards, so I was really excited about that because I was like, yes, I can do cards. I struggled. I was on a struggle bus the whole time. I used the Sunny Days collection, Bloom collection, and some assorted things from other places. I want to tell you that I used this box of cards from Maggie Holmes, and I got it from Ross. So if you're interested, if you have a Ross, go check it out. They usually have something cool there. Usually, I've been there the last couple of days, and they haven't had much that I want to get. But anyway, so the reason why I feel like I struggled is because I am not a huge layerer, if that's a real word. If not, I just made it up. I don't usually layer a lot of things, so I struggled. But I was like, let me please channel some layering stuff. I didn't sew anything yet, but one day I'll be sewing. So this is the first one. This comes from the Sunny Days. It was all black and white, and I just decided that I thought this yellow and blue looked really good together, so I just colored the card yellow in where the flowers were poking out, like the prominent ones, and I used some sticker from the carousel that says celebrate. On the inside is blank. I normally don't put stuff on the inside. And so I was like, okay, Brandy, this one was okay. Let's try and do it a little bit better. And so this is from Sunny Days. This is a number. This is from Sunny Days that I just fussy cut. I know I fussy cut. And then I put this, and this is from the Chasing Dreams, like little ephemera. And Happiness is Here is from Carousel. Blank on the inside, but I thought this was really cool. And you see it has landscape and portrait, which I think is cool. Then I try to use the back of that card box as inspiration, and this is what I created. I used some washi tape that I received from Wonderbar Crafts, and I used a dolly because Don says to stretch your stuff, use a dolly. And that's what we have, and it's blank. This card is not super thick, in case you're wondering. It's not the thickest. Then I used some Michael's Hot Buy card bases, and this is what I created using this washi tape right here. And this is a cut apart from Bloom, and I just put it down. This tape is crooked. I think this whole card is crooked, so maybe this will go to the big roommate. I'm not sure, or I can send it to my aunt. I may send it to my aunt. I'll put it in the mail today. And then the last card says Happy Souls Shine. Now, I wanted to tie all of this in, hearts, soul, you make my heart happy and things like that. But I didn't want to use the shiny stars right here. I want to use them, I want to have it muted, kind of, because I had all this kind of shiny here. And I was thinking, why didn't you do it the other way? I don't know. And then I have a cut apart. No, I fussy cut this out. And then on the inside, I put a shiny star. Yay for shiny stars. So these are my creations. So I did struggle some with this, but I think I did okay. I think I got more than one piece down. So I did do some layering. If you've ever seen any Maggie Holmes, like go-bys or something, you'll know that she does a lot of layering. I want to say thank you all for watching. Please go over and check out the rest of the people in the collaboration. I can't wait to see what they make so I can craft lift their ideas for new future projects. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.